This is an ironing table with a wide ironing surface, perfect for regular use. And the quality is fantastic, which is why this ironing table comes with a 10-year guarantee. The ironing table is super stable, has a solid metal iron rest with a funky contemporary design, which can hold all standard-sized steam irons and is suitable for both left and right-handed use. The iron can be positioned in the solid iron rest both diagonally as well as horizontally. The cotton cover is handy with an elastic foam layer and has been produced in such a way that it will always remain tautly in position. The clever ironing table has a safety lock, which ensures it can't accidentally collapse, a must-have product when you have young children. Plus, the frame lock prevents the ironing table folding out when that isn't your intention. The steam permeable worktop is 124 by 38 centimeters. The height can be adjusted in 7 different steps, from 69 to 96 centimeters, and perfectly fitting and super stylish replacement covers are available too.